Hello guys, someone from this side back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, we are going to add app icon in our Flutter application. So let's start the video. In the last video, we see about how you can integrate a video in your Flutter application through the assets. So in case you don't see the last video, the link will be come here on here. You can check it out. So by the way, in that video, we are going to add the app icon in that Flutter app. So I show you by default which app icon is present in our Flutter app. So by default that app icon is present in the Flutter app and the app name is video_management. So that default Flutter app icon is coming, and we want to change that app icon to that icon. Icon we want to change. So how can we do that? There is two ways to do that. You can install any package from the pub.dev to add app icon in your Flutter application, but that indirectly increase your app size. So instead of increasing the app size unnecessarily, we can do it in other ways that will be help you to make app icon in seconds. So what we have to do, we have to switch to that website icon.kitchen. The link of that website coming in the description. Check it out. After that, when you come here, you can see here there is many more options present for adding the icon. So in that clip part, there is many more ready-made icon is present, but we use any image to make the icon of this app. So I click on the image and I take the image from here. So I take the image from here. As you can see, that is showing here. Now what we have to do, we have to make that padding of 10 so that it will be looking good, and we can do one thing, we have to make drop shadow so that it will be looking good. You can do customization in your own way, and you can also choose the gradient. So here I choose the gradient about, just choose that, and for that I just choose it here. Okay, just the lighter one. Now after that, you can make any texture just like any of things. So I don't like any texture as of now. Okay, and you can see here that Android icon will be so in that way. The iOS icon will be so in that way, and the web icons will be so in that way, but that icon we don't need as of now. That web icon we need only Android and iOS. So after customizing of your app, when your app icon is ready, you can click on that download button. That will be help you to download that icon. So in the desktop we download that icons, and here what you have to do, just refresh it. Okay, now you have to extract all of the things that is present in that zip file. When you unzip it, you can see 3 folder will be unzipped. So we don't need web folder as of now. I delete it here. We need Android and iOS folder content. So how can we include that app icons content in our Flutter application? Let's see that. We have to go to the Android folder and we have to copy the inner contents of RIS folder under that Android folder. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to come back to our application, open that Android folder in the Explorer. Okay, now in that Android folder, go to the app, source, main, res, and under that res folder I just paste all of the things that I just copied. Okay, so I paste all of the things. And in the same way, what we have to do, come to the root of the project, go to the iOS folder, runner folder, assets, c assets, app icon set, and here what we have to do, we have to open the iOS folder and we have to select all of the contents. Selecting and copying that, we have to paste it here under that app icon set folder under our project. So replace this file with the destination. Yes. So that's the icon is showing here. Okay, now let's try to terminate the project at first, because that project is already running. So I just terminate the project and I just remove it from the background, and as you can see, the app icon by default is Flutter logo and the project name is video management. So let's run the project and let's see if the app icon is changed or not. So what we have to run, we have to run Flutter run to run the project. So guys, as our project is started, because this is the initial phase of the project as we see in the last video. So if I send the app to the background of our mobile device, so as you can see that the project name is video_management. The default Flutter logo now change our custom logo here. Okay, so in that way you can change the app logo in your Flutter application. So I hope you love this video. If you love this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. The next video of the series is coming very soon. Have a nice day. Bye.